G'day, this is Dazza from Down Under for the Intergalactic Federation, and today I'm going to swap around the speaker on my the driver on a Yamaha MSP7 for anyone that's interested. I've torn the baffle in there when I got the MX1. I was cranking the gain, having a great old time, feeling the air blowing through my hair from the front ported speakers, and the baffle has started to tear there. I've tried gluing it back, but it's continued to rip around the edge there. So I ordered a new one from Japan, but it's a different color. We couldn't get the same color. Apparently they're not in stock anymore. So I'm going to show you how to pull that apart and put it back together. First, just let me give you a sound demo of the kind of a groovy distortion it causes. So yeah, funky distortion, and if I keep doing that, it's going to continue to rip even more. So let's see what's involved in pulling it apart. I've already replaced the tweeter on that from when it got punched in one time, so I know it's not too hard. Basically, the back will come off and the speakers will just plug straight back in. Okay, I was wrong about taking the back off. That's only for the tweeter. This is you need an Allen key that looks like about like 2 or 3 mil, probably 2, I don't know what the measurement is for that. Got to undo these. Oh. You can see the damage, it comes all the way up to here, and it's going to keep going. And you could pay to get that repaired, but I just wanted a whole new lease of life on this speaker. And it's a shame it's not the same color as the other one. At some point I'll probably get some HS 8s or 7s or whatever and have surround sound maybe. But for now I need to get rid of that distortion, which could be quite random. It just responds to particular frequencies. You can never tell like when you're going to hit on it. So 4 of them. Little doobie off there. You're going to lift out for me. Does it come out front ways? Ooh, maybe I do have to take the back off. Oh, there we go. All right. So I've got little clips on the back here, red and black. Let's see, power, and they just clip straight on. Four ohms. Nice heavy speaker, and they really do crank. When they get going. Actually, I might put that there, I'll put them over there. Here's a new one. Let's hook them up. And away we go. Okay, these are the only studio monitors I've ever owned, so they've done a heap of work. I really have gotten a lot of mileage out of these, and I'm very familiar with how they sound and how they run. With the subwoofer there as well, the matching subwoofer. Let's plug them back in and give it a run. That driver's for sale if anyone wants to do the repair job on here.